Hey there, friends. Vicky and I have embarked on our third annual trek to the Texas coast. Thought we'd bring you along.
She's lost on land again. They lost my friend. Lost on land again.
So we left work early today, a little after 1, and headed part of the way down to the coast. This is what we did the last 2 years, and it works out really well. So we are looking for a little hunter's camp here in the Sam Houston National Forest. It is on trailhead 8 of the Lone Star hiking trail. So Vicky and I have camped at this spot many times. We've hiked part of that trail a couple of times. Anyway, I digress. We're really looking forward to this. So I'll show you when we get there, and hopefully it won't be taken. So you know we've got to be almost there. Found the train tracks. Actually, it is a little ways down this road, about 3 more miles. Alright. It looks to me like these are hikers. Day users, I hope.
Your destination is on the left.
Yep, this is it. Got a lot of people out hiking, or biking, or doing something fun. Nobody camped here. Ah, another truck. Alright, we're gonna park and figure out where we're gonna stay for the night. Yay, forest. Alright, well, we're settled. We just pulled our chairs out, got a cold one out of the cooler, and that's all there is to it. So years ago, Vicky and I camped right here on this concrete slab, and we just piled up the leaves and slept on top of it without a tent or anything. Our plan was to get up really early and go to work the next day. But we slept so good, we slept too late, and we ended up being an hour and a half late for work. But anyway, this is a great place to camp. It's always so quiet here, so peaceful. So yeah, this is the little concrete slab. Great memories. We have a little visitor this morning. We've decided we're going to call him Philip Brooks. So we thought he belonged to the people across the way. We had the cat out, and we asked them to please call their dog back. And they're like, well, it's not our dog. But they came for him anyway to help us with Rue. Yep, he's just a friendly little dog. Gonna check those other people out. Wondering what they're making for breakfast. Oh, poor dog. Dog sending us off, saying bye. Bye, Philip. Bye, Philip Brooks. Alright, this was lovely. Lovely indeed. So here's the trailhead for the Lone Star hiking trail, and they leave water caches there because there's no water on this trail. I almost need more. Anyway, maybe we'll leave a gallon real quick. Oh cool, Vicky's gonna grab one for me. Some LaCroix, that's fun. Awesome. Thanks.
You're welcome.
Alright, let's go to the beach.
Go.
So I can't remember exactly. I think the Lone Star hiking trail is about 220 miles. I'll look that up and maybe even put it in the video here somewhere. But anyway, it's a really cool hike. It's a nice shakedown hike if you want to do a longer distance trail, like the Appalachian Trail or the PCT or something. But yeah, a lot of people hike it, and it's best to hike it in the winter because it's too hot in the summer and less bugs and stuff. So, yeah, winter, it's going to be in the 60s today. It's lovely. All right, we're off.
Turn left on the Boswell Road, 49 Road.
Turning left, going to the beach.
Rue, what's
All
up,
right,
babe?
Rue. Rue's been sitting in there nice and happy
What's up?
till the cameras come out.
What's up? What's up?
He wants to go for another walk.
You can walk some more. He's like, he just wants out to walk around. There's so much to see. Hang on. All right, let's go.
Or does he want back in the van?
Back in the way we go.
Well, that's,
Go on.
that was that. Well, still got one paw on the ground.
He's like, I don't know. Where do I
Alright.
want to be? You gotta do this.
Well, darn. Maybe he'll come back out later.